I've been talking on mute. That's pro. Just I was just saying I don't have the mental capacity for really complicated things. I've been talking on mute. I think that proves it. I'm working on small things today. Basically, whatever I feel like it. Don't know where my brain is at. Been a busy week. Brain's not fully connected. Everything is called bench. Literally every one of these is called a bench. That is heartbreaking. How do I know which bench it is? They literally just all have the same name. That one is bench whatever, and this one is bench whatever. I thought I was going to hack the solution, but apparently I've made bad choices. What can I do? I could run the map. I think I could get the GUID from there somewhere. I have no idea. I have no idea how I would get the bench. I could do like a... I have an idea, actually. I have a really bad idea. Let's see. Event trigger bolt. Let's see. If I look for the word bench on here. Oh, weird. It only has one? Why would that be? Because it can only have one of the same of the single name? Oh. That's a problem. Okay. Apparently I have backed myself into a corner. I have no idea what I'm going to do about these benches. Also, they're not important. So I'm not going to worry about it. Instead, I'm going to look at some other settings I need to mess with. So another setting I need to futz with is the dialogue boxes. Because apparently somewhere along the line, I messed with the settings for text animator. And they were the general settings. So now the text dialogue does some weird stuff. I'm going to go fix that real quick. Sort of while I'm thinking about it. I don't know why that did that. Okay, let's get ourselves back into Summiton because I can at least go talk to people there. You can kind of see it if you look closely. The text comes in and then it slowly squeezes down. I'm not sure how I did that, but I have to figure this out. So let's open a dialogue and then go look at our message window. I don't think it's going to matter which side of the messaging is used because it's going to affect everything. Okay. So where is this setting, I wonder? In typewriter. No, yes? No. Text animator, where are you? Let's be above here. No, it's typewriter by character. Oh, there it is. Okay. So this is the text animator, and what is it doing that's causing the weird little squeeze? Effect size. So I think the size is the one that's doing it. So it must be down here. Size. Base duration, base amplitude. Okay, so let's just see what happens if we mess with this a little bit. I wish I remembered what this setting was. But I don't really know the best way to find out what that was. So, why am I in a death loop? I can't escape. Is it main menu controller? No, it's main menu view controller, I think. Oh. So the problem is it closes, but then it doesn't stay closed. So I think it's going to be something in the map pane. So if menu window is not closing, and also if it's not open, I gotta check. Why does that not work? Is this menu window? I was using the SGB controller. I think what I need to do is do the main menu view controller dot. Is this? Oh, crazy. Okay, so I did that like all different. Let me see here. Did I not make a static reference? How do I want to do this? It's a UI window, so it would be better if I got access to it. I guess I could just continue the great joy of doing singletons. It's not my favorite way to do it, but it is the pattern I've been following. So I guess we're just gonna do the YOLO thing. We'll say true, and then we have to make an initializer. Do I have an init method? Like a static initializer. So private static. This is to make sure that when it starts up, this doesn't get hung onto. It probably wouldn't really mess a lot up, but I prefer not to mess with it. I think it's just runtime initialize on load. Right? Is that right? Let's see if that works. So then we have the instance, so now we need to check it. We got to make sure that it's not open and menu window is not. Totally not what I was expecting to test right now, but fine. I think that the letters come in weirdly because the size setting is like a greater than 1 value. At least that's my theory. A Motzi theory. We'll find out in a second once it finishes building. Any day now. Okay, so let me see here. If I go to this text animator, I'm pretty sure that's what it uses. Let's see. We have we have one, and we have a disappearance and appearance. So the appearance is the only one that we have here as a setting. I don't think we're using any behaviors because there's nothing enabled. There's got to be this size nonsense. Where is it? So we have actions. Oh, I see. I have the wrong one. There you go. So size is the one I was messing with. I'm going to make this 1, I guess. 1 second to show. Maybe point. I'll try 1 for now. We'll see what it looks like. I think that affects all of the different places this gets shown. I should double check the other one just to be sure. That is interesting. Okay, here we go. Appearances, size. Yeah, so it does affect all the instances. I guess that's good to know. All right, let's check this out. Hopefully the menu works too. It's weird. I thought I had tested that and it worked fine, but now it got stuck in some infinite loop. And also, for whatever reason, when the editor starts up, it does something weird with the UI. It doesn't permeate. I should like auto save or save in something. Okay, so that came in fine, but I don't think I even want to use size actually. Why am I even using size? Maybe I should just not. Okay. Feels like it's just not needed in this case. So we'll go to appearances, we'll create none, and we'll see what it looks like without it. I'm guessing it won't make a difference of any import. Yeah, I mean, it looks less squishy. Yeah, I think that's what we want to do. We'll just remove it. It looks more flat, but I don't think we need a crazy squish. Oh, I can't edit multiple. I guess it would be hard to manage that. So, all right, we'll go here. Alrighty. Oh, what is this? No reference. What that is. Hopefully that doesn't do anything negative. Try again. I thought I got rid of it. Did I not go back and get rid of it here? Here. 0, save. Oh, that's where it's saying there's an error, but I wonder if it... Does it not save the value then? No? Okay. So it just didn't save that one for some reason. Okay. Alright. Try again. It's a full test. Hopefully. I guess technically I could talk things here and it would show it too. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's simple. Got that one done. Easy peasy. Let's move that one off. Bye. What should I work on next? Having a bit of trouble before I started streaming tonight, thinking what it is I'm going to work on. Probably because I spent my entire day trying to get a Switch build working. So I might just decide to have an extremely short night. There's a brief stream, work on a few things, and then go back to working on the Switch build because, oh boy, that's a lot. Kind of want to see if I can get high-res abilities working again. I gotta figure out how I want to do it. So let me see if I've got some options here. Like, I'd like to see if I can get high-res ability to work on objects like this box, but I don't think we have any animations I can use that would make sense. Gotta see what sort of animations we have. Not battle effects. I mean, I could try to do some effect playing. No. It's kind of weird. Not the most motivating type of work right now. Where's it going? Here we go. Oh, I was supposed to... Oh, crap. I was supposed to make sure the menu works. I'll go double check that real quick. Be pretty easy to test. Okay. Now, oh, so now I just can't move. Perfect. But why? It shouldn't. What? This is just the open menu option. So it's not open, it's not closing. This will just show the menu. This shouldn't stop it from loading. Is there an issue because I do this instance thing? I wonder if it's like losing the instance somehow. We only have one of these in the private static. This will set it up. I guess I could also do this. I'm not sure why it would prevent it from re-engaging the player's action. Shouldn't be a locking issue, I don't think. This is the close method. When the method is open, it's going to do a close operation. Wait for close. Hide. What is this? Last close time. So this is my original thing to try and make it locked or unlocked. Is open equals. Oh, wonder. I don't understand how this setting would cause that. Let me go back to we're in the math scene. There we are. So I just added one condition that seemed to have caused everything to stop working. Let's try this. Not totally sure what is going on there. Guess we'll find out. If it would ever build. I mean, I feel like the builds are getting progressively slower. It might be because I have my graphs open. Always seems to go slower when the graphs are open. All right, let's go see. I don't think the current beta build even has this issue. It's kind of weird that it's propping up right now. Let's see. Okay, so what was it doing before? Wait a second. Did I say... No, I didn't. Okay. For some reason, I thought I might have set the value. So weirdly, now it's fine. It's weird that it got stuck in a weird loop. Let's find out. That's okay. Huh. But it seems like it's fine. I wonder... Okay, it's fine. I don't know what was happening there. That's strange. go take a look at my list real quick. I had thought to work on Pyra's on-map abilities. Like I said at the beginning, I'm not really feeling very mentally connected to the work that I'm doing right now. My brain is a bit mushy. Which means I may not actually make it very long right now. It's been a long week. I had the kids to myself for most of the week, and it's been a bit hard for me to get the mental capacity re-engaged for what it's worth. I think that I should probably just listen to myself. I know it's been a very, very short stream. I just started basically, but I think I'm just gonna wrap up. I'm just kind of like not there. And I really want to work on the Switch build. I don't want to work on that on stream. That's even more boring. That's like obnoxiously boring to work on. So I'm just gonna wrap up early. Yeah, that's it. Just gonna shut down. So if there's anyone out there, bye. Have a good night. Hey, Nightfall. Thanks. Thanks for stopping in. I'm gonna drop